Hi, my name is Dennis and today I'll talk about this Hisense washing machine with a load capacity of 8 kilos of dry clothes, of course, and a spin cycle of 1,400 RPM or revolutions per minute. The higher the RPM on a washing machine, the faster the drum turns and the drier the clothes are at the end of the cycle. Thanks to a durable inverter motor, a powerful brushless motor with the latest electronics, this washing machine is extremely efficient and provides the better cleaning effects, saves energy, and produces less noise. Besides its washing programs we all know and love, like Shirts 40, Cotton 90-60-40, and Cold 20, and Mix 40-30, this Hisense washing machine offers a few extra programs and functions. Like the quicker wash function, which cuts down the washing time. This means it shortens every program available, so every program can now be shorter. For example, the Power Wash program, made for smaller loads of lightly soiled laundry, usually takes just under 1 hour. But if you activate the quicker wash with it, it takes it down to only 32 minutes. The Cotton White program can be reduced from 3 hours to only 2. You get the point, right? Another super useful time-related program is the Quick 20-minute, which is perfect for a quick wash of jeans or a few t-shirts in just, well, you've nailed it, 20 minutes. The Wool program is perfect for wool, silk, and other delicates, thanks to its gentle cycle, low temperature, and low spinning rate. The shape and the fabric quality stay intact, so no more reshaping and shrinking of your favorite cashmere sweaters. Similar goes for jeans, as Hisense now has a special program dedicated to denim wear called the Jeans program. This way you'll keep your jeans, denim jackets, and shirts in perfect condition for years without fading. Allergy Steam is another excellent program. It got approved by Intertek for removing up to 99.9% of bacteria. Not only does it eliminate allergens such as dust mites and pet dander, but it also almost completely disinfects laundry. The Allergy Steam program washes clothes at 60 degrees, and after the wash cycle is finished, it treats your clothes for 20 more minutes using steam. Steam is released into the washer from the bottom of the drum, completely covering all the clothes inside of it. Because of the higher temperature, steam eliminates close to all bacteria. Besides that, it also fluffs up the laundry, making it wrinkle-free, and almost no ironing is needed. Another super smart feature is the anti-crease function. You know how sometimes you miscalculate the washing end time, so you don't take the clothes out immediately and you leave them in for another hour and they end up completely wrinkled, right? Well, worry no more, thanks to a special anti-crease function. If you activate anti-crease function together with a program, the drum will rotate every minute for 2 more hours after the cycle is completed. This will minimize wrinkles, leaving you with just washed laundry, which is soft and fluffy. One more nightmare from the laundry department: forgotten socks. You know how you always find something after you started the wash? Well, not a problem anymore thanks to a special pause and add solution. This highly convenient solution allows you to simply pause the washing process and quickly add clothes to your load or remove unwanted items from it. This washing machine is entirely made in Slovenia, in Europe, and it's built to last. Thanks for watching.